All right, here we go. Oh! Oh, Hawkeye, Howler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. Happy Easter to those who celebrate it and happy Sunday to those who do not. I hope every single one of you are having an amazing day. Today is our Easter Bunny special. I don't know why I'm calling it an Easter Bunny special, because there is not one single bunny involved in this video. There are some bunny hops in this video, which I am excited to walk you guys through this track. But yes, today is our ROARIN RUMBLE Battle Royale Easter special. I'm excited. Every single Royal Rumble, now, I'm gonna do that multiple times today. I'm gonna get confused with ROARIN RUMBLE and Battle Royale. What I meant to say is every single ROARIN RUMBLE truck I have in my possession, including the two new models that just came out, Swamp Monster and the Mummy. They are going to race two at a time down the super stretch. As you guys can see right there, there is a bunny hill right there. Look for these trucks to get some air. Man, I really need to trim this beard up. It's driving me crazy. But anywho, that's beside the point. Ashton, the way Ashton looks, it doesn't matter. But guys, if you're new here, do yourself a favor, subscribe, ring that bell, become part of the Hawkeye Howler Nation today. Your home for monster truck diecast racing. I am the Monster Truck Daddy, bringing you some of the best monster truck content out there on YouTube. Huge thank you to my pit crew members. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It truly means the world to me. If you would like to become a pit crew member, you can find my YouTube memberships linked down below, $2.99 a month. I also have Patreon, 3 tiers, plenty of great benefits in there. But anywho, with that being said, let's go ahead, head trackside, and have a little battle royale. It's time for the official Hawkeye Howler track walkthrough segment of this video. They are running the super stretch lanes 2 through 5. They are going to come down, go up over Bigfoot. There is one bunny hill. They are going to dip into the dirt arena and then come up over Megarex for the second bunny hill, then drag race to the finish. Look for these trucks to get some big air, especially with that first bunny hill right there. May get some second air, but that second bunny hill is where the winners will be determined, because that is where we will see the drag race. Now, unfortunately, there will be no grandstand cam today because I swore I'd charge with the GoPro, but I did not. So unfortunately, we just get a finish line cam. But yes, look at these beautiful trucks that have shown up today. The ROARIN Rumble is my favorite Hot Wheels set thus far. They absolutely knocked it out of the park with these ones. There are the two brand new trucks that just came out, the Mummy and Swamp Monster. Right now, down in the comments, what is your favorite ROARIN Rumble truck? Mine, right here, is the Monster. Absolutely love that truck. Second place is Mecha Orca. Honestly, it's a tie for first, because you know why? They're both Town Hauler models. Absolutely love Town Hauler. You guys know that is my favorite monster truck. So, 2 at a time. Now, the first set of races will be single eliminations. When we get to the round of 8, that is when we will do a best of 3, and so on and so forth. So, who is taking the cake? Who is walking away Battle Royale champion? Who's it gonna be? And kicking off this Easter ROARIN Rumble Battle Royale, you got the two new trucks, Swamp Monster taking on the Mummy. All right, remember, single elimination for this first round. Happy Easter, and let's kick off this ROARIN Rumble Battle Royale. Woo! Woo! We come out of the gate swinging with an amazing drag race. The Mummy gets it by a fender. Holy moly, great race.
Swamp Monster eliminated.
Right, let's see if this glorious action continues. Up next, you got the Werewolf taking on the Hydra. All right, race number 2. Let's go. Oh, big air. Holy moly, huge air from the Hydra, but that slowed him down because the werewolf kept it nice and planted. They're moving on.
The Hydra? Eliminated.
And up next to this battle royale, you got the ROARIN Rumble track set exclusives in the Ogre and the Bone Shaker Goblin. All right, who's taking race number 3? Let's go. Woo! Woo! Man, some of these trucks are getting some nasty air. I'm loving it. The Ogre is moving on.
The Goblin? Eliminated.
Race number 4 brings us to the Minotaur, taking on One Eye. Or a Cyclops. Let's see if another steer clear casting punches their ticket to the round of 8. Here we go. And they do, the Minotaur. Moving on.
One Eye? Eliminated.
Race number 5, we got Megarex, the dragon, taking on the monster. All right, here we go. Oh! Oh, and chaos is beginning. Man, I wish I had the grandstand cam up. Well, we got a fatality. The dragon was on the way to a victory, got loose on the second bunny hill. I told you this is where races will be decided. And the monster drives off into a victory.
The dragon? Eliminated.
Coming up next, you got the vampire versus the werewolf. Oh, also, I'm going to mention this right now. We have a battle of the big blocks coming up next week. You're not going to want to miss it. All right, drop those gates. Let's go. Oh, that was a good, clean race, but the vampire is moving on.
The werewolf? Eliminated.
All right, let's get race number 7 going. Mecha Orca versus the Griffin. And let's go. Lane 3's coming into its own. Mecha Orca moving on.
The Griffin? Eliminated.
Final race of this first round. You got the radiated scorpion taking on the undead Megalodon. All right. Which creature is taking it? Great race!
Nice.
Man, oh man, that was a great race. Radiated Scorpion moving on.
The undead Megalodon? Eliminated.
8 trucks have packed their bags and went home. 8 trucks still have that little hope inside that they're gonna walk away with it all. That means welcome to the round of 8 Hawkeye Howler Nation. This is where the double eliminations come into play. You need to win 2 races to make it to the round of 4. Guys, if you're having fun with this video so far, drop a like down below. It definitely helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it shows me that you're enjoying this kind of content. Let's race. Starting us off with this round of 8, you got the Mummy taking on the Werewolf. Since this is double elimination, after each race we will switch lanes. If we need to go into a tiebreaker, you guys know how we do it here at the Hauler. They will race backwards. Let's go. Alright, the Mummy scores their first win. They need 1 more to make it to the round of 4. Lanes are switched. Mummy is up by 1. Let's go. It looked like the Mummy had trouble coming out of the gate. Man, they're down. It is now dead even. Let's switch lanes, and they're going backwards next. The first tiebreaker of this tournament. I'm loving it. Well, I guess I better be careful saying that. I don't need to get... Anywho, let's go. Oh, crash for the Mummy.
Oh, crash for the Mummy.
Oh, I thought the Mummy was going to go all the way, but he had trouble coming out of the second bunny hill. That gives it to the Werewolf. Moving on.
The Mummy eliminated.
Next, we got the Battle of the Giants, an Ogre versus a Minotaur. All right, race number 1 between the Ogre and the Minotaur. Let's drop those gates. The Ogre gets his first win. We're going to switch lanes, do them again. As of right now, those 2 inside lanes seem to be the money lanes. The Ogre needs 1 more. Let's go. Oh! The Minotaur fires back by a tire. We're going into another tiebreaker. Man, this tournament is stressing me out. I don't know who's taking it in any race. Let's go. Tie-breaking time. You can tell what trucks struggle going backwards. The Ogre did, and the Mummy did. The Minotaur is moving on.
The Ogre eliminated.
All right, up next, you got the Monster taking on the Vampire. All right, who's gonna strike first? Let's go. Great neck and neck racing, but the Vampire gets the first bite. All right, the Vampire could easily take it here. He's one strong vehicle. Let's go. He does. Frankenstein's monster had nothing for Dracula.
The monster? Eliminated.
Alright, we're looking for driver number 4 for the final 4. Mecha Orca versus Radiated Scorpion. First race between these two, let's go. And the Mecha Orca gets the first win. They need one more to move on. Is the Mecha Orca gonna go 2 and out, or is the Radiated Scorpion gonna sting back? Let's go. Woo! And the Radiated Scorpion gets their win. We're going into a tiebreaker. All right, one final time. Mecha Orca versus Radiated Scorpion. The Scorpion goes 2 and out. Mecha Orca, not moving on.
The Mecha Orca? Eliminated.
Another 4 trucks went home. That means another 4 trucks remain. Welcome to the final 4 Hawkeye Howler Nation. The Werewolf, the Minotaur, the Vampire, and the Radiated Scorpion. Who is moving into the championship round? Kicking off this final 4, you got the Werewolf versus the Minotaur. Best of 3. All right. Let's go for the final 4. Tell you what, the Werewolf about gave it away right there at the end. All right, they need one more win. All right, is the Minotaur gonna fire back, or is the Werewolf going 2 and out? Let's go. And the Werewolf is moving on.
The Minotaur? Eliminated.
And who will be meeting the Werewolf in the final round? Will it be the Vampire or the Radiated Scorpion? Best of 3. All right, who's gonna get the first win? Let's go. Oh! Man, Radiated Scorpion had trouble coming off that first bunny hill. The Vampire gets their first win. They need one more to move on to the final round. All right, can the Scorpion recover after that incident? Let's go. They do! And the Scorpion comes out swinging. And you guys know he's good at backwards drag racing. We're going into a tiebreaker next. Right, here we go, one final time. The Vampire versus the Radiated Scorpion. Unfortunately, the Radiated Scorpion is in those lanes where he had trouble the first race. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Let's go. He gets it! Oh man, that Scorpion is here to play. If we come into a tiebreaker in the final round, look for this truck to take it all.
The vampire? Eliminated.
Oh, Hawkeye Hauler Nation, welcome to the final round. Who is taking the ROARIN RUMBLE Battle Royale crown? Will it be the Werewolf? Or will it be the Radiated Scorpion? This is a best of 3. First truck to win 2. Who's it gonna be? All right, here we go. Championship round, Werewolf versus Radiated Scorpion. Let's go. The Werewolf gets the first win. They need one more to take this championship. All right, the Werewolf is 1 win away. Does this Radiated Scorpion have anything to say about that? Let's go. Oh my gosh, he does.
Oh my gosh, he does.
It's like the Werewolf had trouble getting out of the gate again, not the first time. The Radiated Scorpion gets a win. We're doing this backwards. One final time. Who's it gonna be? Tell you what, this is just what the Radiated Scorpion was hoping for. He has been the best at backwards tie-breaking. Let's do this one final time. Werewolf versus the Radiated Scorpion. Go! The Werewolf shuts him down.
The Radiated Scorpion eliminated.
That is it, Hawkeye Hauler Nation. Congratulate the Werewolf in the comments down below on becoming the ROARIN RUMBLE Battle Royale winner. Had a lot of fun with this one. Had such a great track setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, what an epic Battle Royale. Had a lot of fun with this, Hawkeye Hauler Nation. I hope you guys did as well. If you did, drop a like down below. It definitely helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it shows that you care and that you enjoyed this kind of content. Drop those comments down below. Did the truck you want to win actually walk away with the win? Mine didn't. Both of my town haulers, one of them showed up and one of them went, poo-poo. And it's poo-poo. But yes, had a lot of fun with this tournament. Guys, that's going to be it for the hauler. Got some great videos coming up next week, especially that battle of the big blocks. You guys are not going to want to miss it. Getting all the big blocks out. Roger Dodger, Dodge Chargers, Midwest Madness, and there's a couple others in there that I'm not going to tell you about because you're just going to have to tune in, and mostly because I don't really remember. So don't judge me on that one. Guys, if you'd like to help support the channel and keep the show on the road, you guys can find my Patreon link down below. Or if you want to kick it here on YouTube, I have YouTube memberships, $2.99 a month. You guys, regardless of whatever you go with, you guys will see your name up here in lights. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rep your official Hawkeye Hauler merch. Just dropped some new merch not too long ago. The Who's It Gonna Be line. It's really cool. Still waiting on mine to get here. I don't know where it's at. I also haven't checked my mail recently. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Go follow your boy over on Instagram. Go join the official Hawkeye Hauler Discord. And with that being said, happy Easter, and I'll see you guys all next time here at the Hauler. Peace, love, and Hot Wheels. Bye-bye.